Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from Meghalaya, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, on Thursday said he will retire from politics once his tenure in Rajya Sabha is over. Talking to media persons, Kharlukhi said he will not seek re-election to the Rajya Sabha. He said besides being a politician, he is also an academician and said he is coming up with some more books shortly.
Politics, okay? And at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, this time, this side, we're facing a wave. That side also we're facing a wave. So, to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Joel Aram, the present Tribal Affairs Minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs. And he broke the record in Karo Hills.